You gotta hold her with both hands, and you gotta hold her tight.
Okay.
Don't squeeze her. You got her?
Yeah.
Both hands. Both hands.
That's so cute. Oh, sorry. 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 That's so cute. Yeah, where's this been? This has been walking for it. Then in the woods.
Yeah, it's in a field. Its mommy got ate by a hawk.
That's not nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's it dead? Did you pick it up?
No, I did not pick it up. The hawk picked it up and took it away.
So you took it for him? Oh. It's warm and cozy.
It's warm and cozy.
Yeah.
You like her?
Oh.
Yeah, you're not very good at hanging on to her, are you?